In a quiet little village, there once lived a kind old farmer with his 3 young sons. The farmer loved his sons deeply, but they always quarreled and fought with each other. Every single day, the 3 brothers argued loudly, even over small things like cows and tools. The old farmer grew sad and worried because his 3 sons could never stay in harmony. One bright morning, the wise father thought of a clever plan to teach his sons a lesson. Father said, "My dear sons, go quickly into the forest and bring me a large bundle of dry wooden sticks." The 3 brothers entered the forest, still grumbling loudly, but they gathered many sticks together. They soon returned with a heavy bundle and placed it before their father in the yard. The eldest son tried very hard to break the bundle with force, but it simply did not break. The second son bent and pulled strongly with all his strength, but he also could not break. The youngest son tugged, twisted, and even jumped, yet the big bundle stayed strong. Father said, "Untie this large bundle of sticks, my dear sons. Each of you take a single stick now." The 3 brothers held 1 stick each, looking curious about what their father was planning. Snap, snap, snap. Each son easily broke his wooden stick apart with just a little effort. Father said, when the sticks were bound together, they were strong, but alone they became very weak. Father said, "Stay united like the tight bundle, my sons. If you divide, you will all be broken easily." The brothers finally understood. They promised to live peacefully and always stay united. The 3 sons hugged each other with smiles, while their father watched with great pride. From that very day, they worked together on the farm, helping each other with love. Children, always remember this lesson. Unity is strength, so stand happily together.